My young friends, you are growing up in a world that desperately needs to find a new path. And there is hope, for the path is not something, it is someone. And here at the Prep, you have been given the great privilege to come not only to know him, but to meet him, to serve him, and to love him. For he is not just your master and king. He is not just your redeemer and savior. He is your brother and your friend who will never turn his back on you. So I ask you on this great day of your baptism and your confirmation, I ask you to join with me to choose forgiveness over bearing grudges, to choose charity over bitterness, to choose mercy over cruelty, to choose dialogue over being deaf, to choose unity and respect over division and hostility, to choose hope over despair, and to believe that the Spirit can heal all things, even our world, even the most broken of all hearts. Jesus says in the gospel, you will see great miracles. You know what, my friends? You will see the dead rise to life. Because there is no heart so broken that God cannot heal it through you and me. So congratulations, my friends. On this great day, congratulations that you're willing to stand up and receive this gift of grace and hope.